Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial to show you a little software which is free to download from the internet that will allow you to design any layouts that you want on your computer before you start printing the tracks. The software is called BlueBrick and the link will be in the description of this video. When you're on their website, it looks like this. You just click download and it will download the software for you. When you actually install the software and you open it up, on the right hand side you can see there are some shapes of tracks. The tracks that come with the model of my Tram are this straight piece here. I'm going to drag it and you can also zoom with your mouse. A straight piece like that, a curvy one like this, and also a cross one. So these are the three different types of tracks you will find in a download. From these three parts you can make any shape that you want, and because they have a specific length and radius, the software allows you to experiment with different shapes, also making sure that your shape ends up perfectly into a complete loop without leaving any gaps. I'm going to delete this part and I'm going to show you how you can design your first layout. Let's start with a straight track. So I click and drag my straight track and I'm going to put another one. As you can see, it will snap straight onto the track next to it. Make sure that when you snap it, the little dots disappear. That means it's snapped correctly. If you do this and you still see the dot, it means you haven't done it correctly. So make sure you snap it. So I've done three pieces there. Now I'm going to add a curve and I'm going to add another curve. You need in total 16 curves tracks to form a full circle. So I'm going to put 8 on this side and then I'm going to add some more straight. By the way, you can also highlight several track, click edit and then click copy and then paste. You know, there are things you can do to be quicker as your layout is a bit more complicated. Then I add some more curves. If the curves is facing the other way, not to worry, click and to select it, and then you see these arrows here. If you click once, it will then flip it to the correct direction. And so yeah, this should snap. There you are. Now snapped it correctly. Again, it's done there. I just click and done that. But also you can do this on this side, and as you can see, I'm getting close to the end of the loop. What this software gives you is a certainty that all the parts are forming a complete loop. Can you see there are no dots left? If I was, for example, I don't know, I was going to do a straight piece there. Let's move this away. A straight piece there, and then I want to put a curve that you can see is not really joined correctly, so I can't really do that shape. So the software allows you really to experiment the shape that really work. So after you design your loop, oh, can you see there is a dot there? That means I haven't connected correctly. So just move it away and then reposition it. You shouldn't see any dot at the end for a successful closed loop. At this point, if I click on File, you have the option to export a picture of the shape of your design or export a part list. So you click Save, go in your download folders, there you are. That is your PDF. You double click and look what it does. It tells you how many straight parts you need and how many curved bits you need to create the oval shape basically. So a bill of material. This is just detail in case you were buying the extra truck from Lego, but mine are 3D printed, even though they have the same dimension than the standard Lego straight truck and the same radius and length of the standard curved Lego truck. So this is a very good software and it's free, and it will save you time when you want to experiment with different shapes. The picture you see on the screen certainly gives you an idea of what you can achieve with those trucks, which is complicated, but you can see the shape of 8 uses the cross track I showed you at the beginning, and the straight tracks and then curved tracks. You can experiment with it, and you can do that with the software. So I hope this was helpful, and have fun on creating your perfect layout.